Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. As you can see, this is 3-door glass door refrigerators. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the units and entirely length, they are about like 80 inches length. And the overall height is about like 84.5 inches tall. And for the units, the depths include the handlebars. It will be 32 inches in total. As we can see, the units, we have a controller at the bottom right here. You can see they have a Dexel controllers. And we're having the light switchers and the power switcher right here too. The units are coming with the swing doors. We open the door. This one is soft close. And for the door sizes, it's about like 26 inches for the door. Inner side, we can see the 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings. Include the bottom will be 5 layers total. And for the LED light strips on the both sides. Looking the top, you will see the ventilation, the fan, circulating air fan on top of it. Let's take a look at the overall sizes for the inner side. The inner side entirely, it's about like 73.5 inches in the length. And for the depth, entirely the units will be almost like 24 inches depth. And the height is about like 52 inches tall. So the shelving can adjustable for each of the layer and also for each of the door individually. You can see we have a total 12 shelvings, the racks inside of the units. And we open the side door, you will see this side, we have the ETL sanitation stickers on the units and have the car sheets and the model numbers and the serial number for your faster service. The units have the mounted at the bottom the compressors and the coil systems. And the back set, they only having the covers on it. You will see they using the 110 standard plugs. So this is all the information about the units. If you have more detailed questions, please contact with us. Thank you.